Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to play with the Douce palette from Juvia's place and we are going to create a reddish brown smoky eye with it. I'm taking my Morphe M573 brush and the color Berry Mousse. It's a very light brown color and I'm using this color as a base for the colors we are going to apply next. Now I'm taking the same brush and the color Crepe and I'm blending this color all over my lid and into my crease. Next I'm going in with the color Chocolate on the Sigma E25 brush. I'm pressing this color onto my mobile lid and a bit above. Then I'm taking the Morphe brush I used before and I'm blending this color out. I'm going back in with the dark brown color and I'm repeating this step until it has the intensity I want. Now I'm taking my Morphe JH 38 brush, it's a small pencil brush, and I'm taking the color Chocolate and I'm blending it onto my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the Sigma E36 and I'm blending over the edges. I'm taking the color Puffs, it's a very light pink color, and I'm highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone with it. I'm using the Morphe M213 brush. For mascara, I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara and I'll be right back. Now this is our finished look. I love it so much. Please let me know down below in the comments if you want to see more looks with this palette. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.